Good morning, dear hearts. We are at lesson 127, Giant Stride Lesson. There is no love but God's. This lesson is telling us what within us we know that there is only love, and love is one. And you might remember that after a tragedy a few years ago, there were signs that says, love is love is love, and that's it. There is only love. The first paragraph says, love is one. It has no separate parts, no degrees, no kinds, nor levels, no divergencies, and no distinctions. It is like itself unchanged. There's so many different adjectives that we can use to try to describe this, to try to encompass this thought about what love is. And one of the forms I want to use today is actually not within the course. It's from Elizabeth Barrett Browning when she talks about how do I love thee. And the words that she uses are, I love thee to the depth and breadth and height my soul can reach. And we love freely and purely. We love with breath and smiles and tears. There is no opposite to love. There is no judgment in love. If I am judging you, I am not loving you. I cannot do both things. Again, my mind can only hold one thought at a time. And so to love someone is to be completely in a space of being unconditional. There's no limitations, there's no conditions, there's no, I will love you if, I will not love you until. If I only love you until you make me mad, then I didn't love you to begin with. Love is all-encompassing. There is no opposite to it from a course perspective or from Elizabeth Barrett Browning for that matter. All right, and if we get quiet, and we sink into that space and ask to know, to connect with what love is, we will get there. We will be shown the way. This lesson is twice a day, 15 minutes each, and then 3 times every hour to not just to remember that there's no love but God's, but to think of someone in your life that you know who's on this journey with you, and ask to see them better. And the lesson ends with the lines, I bless you, brother, with the love of God, which I would share with you, for I would learn the joyous lesson that there is no love but God's, and yours and mine and everyone's. We include everyone. As soon as we have excluded someone, because love is inclusive, as soon as we have excluded someone from love within our mind and heart, we have moved away from what love really is. I'm not saying this is easy, but what we are doing in learning this is we are rediscovering the world where we originally were, God's world, heaven, eternity. Because this says the world is in infancy, newly born. Okay, and each time we do one of these lessons, we make advances, we are coming into and remembering the space that we unfortunately left with that tiny mad idea. We're coming home. I hope this helped. I hope you have a lovely day, a loving day. Please share, please subscribe, and I will see you here tomorrow. Namaste.